Hi everyone, welcome to Cocinando con los Sweets. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this delicious agua fresca that is made with cantaloupe and carrots, and it's so delicious and so creamy, and it's perfect for a summer day or just any day. It looks so delicious. You are just going to love it. Okay, these are the ingredients that we're gonna need to make our delicious cantaloupe and carrot agua fresca that is super creamy and delicious. We're gonna use half a cantaloupe. We're gonna use 8 carrots, and depends on the size. These are like not too small. You can use 10 or you can use less if they're a little bit bigger. I'm using 8 carrots and 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of condensed milk. We're also gonna use some ice, a container to put our water, agua fresca. We're gonna strain the carrot and the cantaloupe after blending it, and we're gonna use 2 liters of water or half a gallon. And of course we're gonna need the blender to blend our carrots and cantaloupe. Okay, we're gonna start with the first step, which is to peel the carrots and the cantaloupe and just chop it in little squares so we can blend it in the blender. Okay, I'm done cleaning and peeling the carrots and the cantaloupe. Now I'm just gonna cut it in little squares, as small as you need to cut them just to blend them in the blender. Okay, I'm gonna start with the next step. Okay, I cut my carrots in little squares around this size, and my cantaloupe, and I also minced really finely some of the cantaloupe just to add it to my water, because I like when my agua fresca has little pieces of the fruit. So I just dice a little container like this that I'm gonna add to the water, to the agua fresca, when it's ready. Okay, now the next step is to blend all of this in the blender. Okay, I'm just gonna start adding everything to the blender, and we're gonna blend this until it's super smooth, super blended. And I'm just gonna keep adding all of these, the carrots and the cantaloupe. Okay, I added the cantaloupe and the carrot to the blender. Now I'm just gonna add some water, some of the water, so it can blend easier and better. Doesn't matter how much water you add, I guess, from the 2 liters, half a gallon that we had ready for this. Okay guys, the carrot and cantaloupe is completely blended. Now we're gonna strain it and just strain all the pulp that is left over out. And it's not supposed to be a lot if you blend it super good. So we're just gonna keep straining all the carrot and the melon right here. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm done putting all my carrot and cantaloupe that we blended in the blender. Now I like to add some water to the blender to wash off what is left over there, and then strain it here with the pulp so we get all the flavor still from the pulp in here. It's not a lot of pulp left. And if you want to add it, I guess, to the water, you can. It just tastes so much better when you just don't add it, because it's not as thick. Plus we're gonna add the little pieces of fruit that I cut already to add to the water. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing this. Guys, I'm done straining the melon and the carrot. As you can see, it's not a lot that I have left. And now we are gonna add the other ingredients. Okay, we are going to add the can of condensed milk and the can of evaporated milk too, and we're gonna add the ice. Okay, we added all the ingredients, and now we're just gonna mix it super good. Look how delicious it looks. so creamy and the color is beautiful. All natural colors from the carrots and the cantaloupe. And it looks creamy. It doesn't need any sugar for this quantity because the condensed milk, it's already sweet. But if you want more sugar, you can always add more sugar or add more condensed milk. Okay, our creamy, delicious cantaloupe and carrot agua fresca is ready. I tasted it and it's perfect for me. It doesn't need any sugar. Now I'm just gonna add the pieces of the cantaloupe that I left on the side to add it at the end. Our delicious and super creamy and tasty cantaloupe and carrot agua fresca is ready. It's perfect for these summer days, for hot days, and it's a way for you to have your kids have their vegetables and fruits. Super delicious, super tasty, super creamy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to Cocinando con los Tiwits and activate the bell so you can get all of our new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.